to the quiet of your breathing. Sunlight sneaking through the blinds like a child. Your hair spilled like midnight on my pillow, and I swear the whole room learned how to fly.